Even an affordable tonneau is better than leaving your bed open to weather and prying eyes. There are a number of different designs and materials for tonneau covers. Which is best can depend on your needs and particular truck, but regardless of which one you choose, tonneau covers have many benefits. Most covers are sold in different sizes for different makes and models and so can vary in price. In general, expect to pay more if you own a larger truck with a bigger truck bed. Hi guys. Welcome to Best Gadgets. We've got the top 5 best budget truck bed tonneau covers for you today. You can buy it at the links in the description below the video. At number 5, we're going to check out the features and benefits of the economical LEER SR2 Soft Rolling Tonneau cover. It's available for around $450. The SR2 is an aerodynamic profile, reduces wind resistance, and helps lower fuel costs. This strong weatherproof cover is built with double-coated commercial-grade reinforced vinyl that withstands the elements. The cover is secured with LEER's patented sink latching system that can be easily accessed from either side of the truck bed, with one-hand pinch operation. The sink cables are recessed into the cover, preventing the possibility of someone using a wire to unlock the cover. Also, the sink latch and cable are adjustable. 3 support beams allow you to roll the cover up from the tailgates of the cab, keeping the cover up and out of the way for full truck bed access. Integrated buckles secure the cover in an open position while driving. It mounts on the inside of the bed rail with no drilling needed for installation. Simply unroll to close. SR2 keeps your truck bed and cargo dry and secure. Heavy-duty double-stitched hook and loop fasteners make alignment easy. Press on the sides after closing to further secure the hook and loop fasteners. SR2 has a limited lifetime warranty. The cover mount is on top of the pickup cargo box bed rails and comes with built-in rubber and fabric seals to help keep the weather out. This LEER premium soft roll-up cover offers function and utility capabilities, making loading and hauling large items a breeze. Number 4. Tyger Auto T3 Soft Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. One of the best rated budget bed covers. It is available at a reasonable price of about $300. The T3 has a classic trifold, low-profile design using soft fabric that makes for an effective retractable cover. The folding cover consists of a high-quality, dual-coated, heavy-duty, 24 ounces marine-grade vinyl sitting over an aluminum frame that folds in 2 separate locations around the truck bed cover. This folding tonneau cover design offers a bit more rigidity in the body than soft roll-up tonneau covers with just a fabric exterior. While it does nothing for the actual protective properties of the cover, it makes opening and closing it much more convenient. It features a pre-assembled and customized sleek design, with easy tool-free installation in minutes. The patented design in the USA offers clamps with stainless steel rods for great durability and secure locking. Moreover, the weathertight sealing protects valuables in your truck bed against extreme sun rays, rain, hail, or snow. Convenience is where the T3 really shines as a tonneau truck bed cover. Even though it lacks the quick access capabilities of many rolling designs, it still allows you to get into your truck bed without much effort. Combined with the simplicity of the installation process, it makes a good case for being one of the most efficient cover designs available. When it comes to simplicity, the T3 is hard to beat. An easy installation process and lightweight convenient use make it a good option when you want a quick and simple truck tonneau cover to set up and use for your bed. Number 3. Bestop EZ-fold. The best cheap soft trifold tonneau cover. At a reasonable price of around $170, the Bestop EZ-fold hard tonneau gives you a stylish way to keep your belongings covered. It's a folding hard cover for your truck bed that can be accessed and stowed at a moment's notice. Tough panels resist dents and securely clamp your bed rail, no drilling is required. EZ-fold hard tonneau seals out rain, dust and dirt on road. Plus, it improves the aerodynamics of your bed, which can improve your gas mileage. Need quick access? Fold it back once, or all the way, securing the panels near the cab. And when it's closed, a tailgate lock can keep content secure in a way an open bed or soft cover just can't match. State-of-the-art aircraft quality aluminum top sections over solid foam cores are durable with attractively textured surfaces. You know the hard tunnel is tough. To prove it, the Bestop protects each one with a 5-year warranty. Durable leather grain textured vinyl is stretch and shrinks resistant, withstands all climates, mildew, and UV resistant. Also, the reinforced corner construction for additional strength and stability, and the integrated buckle straps secure folded tonneau to the truck bed. Number 2. YITAMOTOR Soft Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. It is available below $200. This bed cover is equipped with 2 safety buckles. Fold the cover forward to the cab and secure it with the buckles, so you can drive around with it folded open. YITAMOTOR provides some great products in the market. This cover is one of those. You'll find it available for 5 feet 6 inches and 6 feet 7 inches beds. Let's check some more things about it. Like always, at first, let's talk about the material. The structure is constructed of solid alloy. So, it is pretty durable. The cover is made of tear and temperature resistant double layer PVC. You can easily say that it is made to last with the frame. Corners are reinforced to ensure maximum protection. To keep everything away, it comes with water resistant seals on the sides. Also, you'll find 2 additional seal strips. The installation process is very easy. Clamps with adjustable holes ensure easy and quick assembly and disassembly. You won't have to drill or cut anything to set it up. So, within 20 minutes, you can get it done. It allows you to drive keeping 2/3 of the bed open. While doing this, just take the help of the buckles to secure it in its position and you're ready to go. It ensures a cool appearance when it is closed. The smooth finish and flat design ensure a low profile yet catchy look. This is a premium quality and great looking cover that ensures the best protection against everything and is exceptional if looking for a cover at an economical price. We would highly recommend it if the pricier covers place you over budget. Number 1. Extang Trifecta ALX. The best secure budget truck bed cover. It's priced at around $450. Ease of use has always been the defining feature of the Trifecta series. The Trifecta ALX makes things even easier, with the inclusion of the exclusive rotary release system. To open the cover, simply open your tailgate, and turn the secure rotary release latch clockwise. It can be opened from just one side, allowing you to load and unload cargo faster. For increased versatility, the cover can be closed with the tailgate open or closed. To lock the cover and fully protect your gear, simply lock your tailgate. Extang have paired their robust 3-panel design with Ancona waterproof vinyl, ensuring your cargo stays protected in all weather conditions. The one-piece seamless vinyl prevents the risk of water getting through any exposed hinges. To add a second layer of protection, they've equipped the ALX with extruded side seals and a multi-fin tailgate seal. Like the latest trucks, it uses aircraft-grade aluminum to make it strong, while keeping it lightweight. When closed, it sits low on your truck bed, and its soft curves and pebble grain texture lends polish to your truck's unique look. For ultimate security and peace of mind, it's placed the rotary latch under the cover. No one can open it without first unlocking your tailgate. The rotary latch hides the operation cable that opens the cover, ensuring your cover stays tamper-proof. Installation is easy, takes about 20 minutes and requires only simple hand tools. When you need to carry large cargo across town, you can drive with the cover open, just fold it up, buckle and tighten the retaining straps on both sides of the truck, and be on your way. For extra large cargo, the whole cover can be removed in seconds. Just loosen up the front clamps and lift the cover off. It only takes a few minutes to reinstall it. Like all Extang products, the Trifecta ALX truck bed cover is made in the USA with global materials, and backed with a limited lifetime warranty. Whether you're putting your truck to work or out having fun, the Trifecta ALX offers the perfect combination of protection and ease of use.